What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at Corbin, Kentucky at a train place. I don't know what it's called, but it's just history. There is no name for this. It's just a steam engine with a cabin. I mean, with a caboose, not a cabin. So,
it's already open.
Yeah.
Could you even go up there?
I don't know. I don't think I could reach up there.
We're allowed to go up there, but why not?
Get a picture of your car?
Yes, and then up here.
Stand right here by the big black cart first.
Okay. Right here. Right here.
Watch out, Turner.
Could I go on the train aboard
I
and?
want to get a picture. Ready, Cole?
Ugh. I think you're allowed to get on the train, but I don't. How does people even do this?
Carter, I don't think you're gonna be able to make it up there.
Well, put me up
That's with your
there.
iPod, and you ain't gonna make it.
I want.
Put it
You
down.
have to put the iPod down.
Could you like?
You want to get a picture of the front, Cole? In the front of it? Come here, you can.
Wait, could you get me up there?
Come over here first.
Wait, Mom, could you get me up there?
Carter, in there.
So, guys, they painted the up for some reason, because why would they painted the like controls up there? So if you couldn't go up there, why did they painted it? I mean, you could. No, I'm just Hey, Mom. Well, guys, here we go. Guys, I really want to show you the controls. No YouTuber has ever done this.
Somebody's telling all about the train.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can make it. Mom, could you hold my tripod?
I will.
No, Cole, you can't.
Carter, he's not gonna hurt it. Oh, don't go.
I want to go up there.
Could I? Then give it to me. Just set it down. It ain't gonna hurt it.
I want to. Can I bring the camera?
Oh my God, I don't know. Give it to me before you end up falling. Go.
Well, but
Don't.
Carter, just go if you're gonna go. And put
No,
me down.
because if I be
All
up
right, we're
there,
done.
I haven't showed the whole train yet. I'm gonna go around it. And Mom, if I'd probably be stuck up there, I'd probably be nervous.
Stuck up there. Your legs are long enough. Carter.
Yeah. By the way, guys, that's the CSX. We're next to like a CSX property.
Oh. Carter, come here.
Hold on, I'm showing the train. Huh. Hey, Mom, I'm over here. Yeah. Oh, wait, you're out up here. I know, but great view. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!